how to find your Chase Bank routing number and account number. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a tutorial on how to do so, which should be very basic and easy. So let's just start right into the video and get started. So we can just go over a browser or we can download the application as well and sign in into the application directly and look out for a tile for the account that we need. You can just go over and view it up, which should be directly available like this on your screen. So we can go to the account tabs directly, and when we scroll down, we can find our checking account, savings account, etc. You can tap on one of your account and basically look out for the option called show details or look for the account or routing number directly here. If you find that, you can select it, or you can tap on this option called show details, and when you do, you will be provided with account details based on your screen directly. You can just go over and find it up, your routing number and your account number. Routing number is the first 9 digits at the bottom in the section right here. Check it out. And the middle set of numbers located up right above the routing number is your account number, and you can just go over and check it out. This is how you should be able to do it, which is very quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.